You call yourself lazy. You say you just can't stay consistent, but the truth is, you're not lazy. You're addicted. Addicted to comfort, to warmth, to ease, to pleasure, to those small hits of dopamine that trick your brain into feeling safe, even when your life is falling apart. Every time you reach for your phone instead of your goals, every time you delay what matters for what feels good, you're feeding the addiction. Comfort isn't rest. It's a trap disguised as peace. Comfort whispers in your ear, "Take it easy, you deserve it." But what it really means is, stay where you are. Don't grow. Don't change. It promises happiness, but steals your strength. You stop challenging yourself. You stop chasing purpose. You stop evolving. And then one day, you look in the mirror and realize you've become someone you swore you'd never be. You're not weak. You're not broken. You're just comfortable. And comfort is a silent killer. It doesn't destroy you all at once. It does it slowly, quietly. Every time you choose later instead of now, every time you choose pleasure over progress. The truth is, your potential is buried beneath your comfort zone. If you want to find it, you'll have to burn that zone to the ground. Start small. Wake up when you said you would. Do the reps. Read the pages. Suffer through the boredom. Because discipline isn't about feeling strong. It's about acting strong when you feel weak. Every time you reject comfort, you teach your brain a new language. One that says, "I don't need easy, I need purpose." The pain you feel when you push yourself, that's your body detoxing from comfort. That's growth, not punishment. You are not lazy. You are capable of more than you imagine. First, you must choose discomfort over and over again, until it becomes who you are. Because the truth is simple. Comfort is easy. Discipline is painful. But only one of them will change your life. Choose pain, choose growth, choose freedom. If this message hit you, subscribe. Join the movement of people building stronger minds and harder discipline every single day. Because comfort won't make you great, but consistency will.